Hi guys, do you want to see London's wild parakeet up close? Come and join us! Parokeets comes in various kinds, but London's are called ring-necked parakeets. Sometimes they're called rose-ringed parakeets. They're usually vegetarians in the natural habitat in Asia, but in Britain, they are omnivorous. They take any kind of scraps available. Ring-necked parakeets feed on a variety of fruit, berries, nuts, seeds, grain, and even meat. They also love broccoli, dark leafy greens, chopped carrots, sweet potatoes. Is parakeet a parrot? A parakeet is any one of many small to medium-sized species of parrot. Generally have long tails. These birds are reported to live for more than 30 years. We really enjoyed feeding these wild birds, and Kensington Gardens has parakeets that will land in your hand. Kensington Gardens is home to Kensington Palace, the peaceful Italian gardens, the stunning Royal Albert Hall, and the Serpentine Gallery. Kensington Garden is one of London's 8 royal parks. It is situated in the West London, immediately to the west of Hyde Park. London's Hyde Park is one of the greatest city parks in the world and the largest in central London. It covers 142 hectares with over 4,000 trees, large lakes. The birds are obviously not indigenous to Britain, but nobody really knows how they got here. Some say they escaped a film set or were released in the Great Storm of 1987. Rumors that Jimi Hendrix set a free breeding pair in Carnaby Street as part of a swinging 60s stunt are untrue. Guys, I would highly recommend you to visit this place because this is really an awesome, brilliant experience. They're colorful, they're friendly, they're tame, and they're safe.
Video yan. Okay. Hello. Close up. Up close.
Wala siyang ring.
Look at that.
Some birds will grab seeds from your hand, fly away, and then quickly come back for more. Here's the birthday boy, my husband. He's really getting up close with the birds and he has celebrated his birthday in the park. Take a selfie, birdie. I'm going nuts here. Enjoying the crumbs, eh?
Layo mo ng konti hindi para makita.
Hindi.
The park is normally open all year round from 5 a.m. and closes at midnight, and this activity and the entrance is free. By the way guys, don't give them salted peanuts and bread. Bread don't give them much nutrition and sometimes it gets moldy and it will cause harm to the birds.
Ayaw niya kasi ang ano mo.
Sige lang, try it. You don't want the salted one. Hello. Really, Parrot, you don't like...
I think this will be the last clip guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will definitely come back here for more feeding. Thank you. Bye.